We had this initial brief that we have to design something which is going to be very affordable and easy to make. That was the main point while designing.
Usually what happens with a young startup, they don't really stay in one place. They probably might want to shift to another place. So what this table allows is user to explore different layouts. At the end of a table, you have a male plug, and on the other table, you have a female plug. You connect it, and hence making a huge table which you can work on. Biggest inspiration came from this forum which is called Precious Plastic. So Dave Heckins, he's the founder of that forum, made few sets of machines and put it online, and it was an open source thing where most of the people can make those machines and explore plastic and make their own products and furniture out of them. And we took few designs and try and experimenting those machines and procuring few plastic samples from Baroda, and we tried to make our own products and our own samples. That's how we started experimenting with recycled plastic. Initially, while conceptualizing the machine, we had two concepts. One concept was to make an oven, a closed chamber where you have all the things inside. We took our oven, which is a household appliance, and we took two metal plates and we took recycled plastic and we sandwiched those plastic between those two sheets, and we put that module inside the oven. Surprisingly, we got a sheet which was semi-finished. It wasn't that glossy. That was proof of concept for the table. So after discussion with a few engineers in Rajkot, we concluded that making an oven is not feasible because what we are doing is we are heating up everything inside, which is not so feasible. A traveling tray where we can put all the plastic granules. So we put that tray inside and screw the heating plate, and you reach a temperature of 200 to 220 degrees Celsius and or 1.5 hours. Because of the temperature difference, what happened is the material there got melted quickly, and the edges were in that it was still in a granule form. But luckily, after switching off, after everything is cooled down, it got into shape. Eventually, we came to this idea where सिर्फ अगर दो metal slabs heat हो रहे हैं, all the energy goes to the plastic, eventually getting a proper glossy plastic sheet. The structure wasn't that stable, and we wanted to solve that problem as a structural problem. Eventually getting a solution where we can add a tie member or cross member which will not allow the metal frame to go parallelogram, let's say, and eventually getting a basic frame ready for the table. In the morning, if I look at my table, I need to have this feeling that I have a responsibility towards environment. I need to design, or I need to work, I need to deliver my work in a way that I'm not disturbing the nature. So that is how we thought of using this plastic slab into the table, into the workstation.